Good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday. I hope you guys have had an awesome week so far. Today's a really exciting day. We are going to finish Woods Runner. We're going to read chapters 19 and the epilogue. And remember, I told you Tuesday morning that you have to join a hangout today. So if you are not one that normally gets on, I asked you to plan on being there at 9 or 1. If there's a conflict, please let me know. If something has come up, if you're busy, if you have to run an errand with your mom or whatever, let me know. But in order to get your participation points this week in the grade book, you do have to be on the hangout today. I told you that on Tuesday that you had to be there. So let me know if something comes up. But I think it's really important that we finish this book together. I want to be able to talk about it and talk through it. And I've had some people that haven't been on hangouts at all, which is fine. But I just want to be able to talk to you about the book. So make sure you show up at 9 or 1. Plan one of those times to be there. I know I have a couple kiddos that are behind in their reading. If that is you, don't stress, okay? I'm going to actually do an extra hangout today starting at noon. We're going to read chapters 16, 17, and 18. I don't have anybody that's further behind than that. So in an hour, we'll be able to get those 3 chapters done. So if you will hop on at noon, we're going to read chapters 16, 17, and 18. So there's no excuse not to be at a hangout today, because even if you're not quite to chapter 19 yet, I'll help you get caught up at noon. And if you want to get caught up on your own, that's totally fine, and then just show up at 1. That sounds great too. But don't forget, I need you on at 9 or 1 today. I'm looking forward to seeing all of your beautiful faces. Don't forget to finish your letter to me. That's due tomorrow. It's really important that you get this done, because it is something that you will get years from now and you'll regret not doing it. Okay, so make sure you get that done. That way you can get that letter when you graduate from high school. So hangouts today look a little bit different. We'll have a normal hangout at 9 or 1. We're going to read chapters 19 and the epilogue. You need to join right at 9 or at 1. You need to be there today. Bonus hangout will be at noon. We'll be reading chapters 16 through 18 for anyone that's not caught up. Okay, feel free to bring your lunch. We'll chat. I'll probably read most of the chapters to you. That way we can get through them. So just come and hang out and listen to those chapters. Okay, I think that's all I have for you today. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Remember, if something has come up and you cannot join, just let me know. But it is really important for me that you're there. So join at 9 or 1. Looking forward to seeing you. Have a great day.